best supplement for dry eyes are 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids work well in treating dry eyes. These fatty acids can be obtained from fish oil supplements or from other sources like chia seeds and flaxseed oil. 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and can help reduce dryness. It can be obtained through a variety of foods such as carrots, mango, and sweet potatoes or as a supplement. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that can prevent damage caused by free radicals and promotes good eye health. The easiest way to get this vitamin is through supplements. For vitamin C, just like vitamin A and E, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and promote healthy eyes. It can be consumed through dietary sources like citrus fruits or in supplement form. 5. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, HA, is a natural substance found in the body that helps lubricate the eyes. In supplement form, it helps to improve the intensity and longevity of the effects. 6. Ginkgo biloba. This natural remedy contains anti-inflammatory properties that may help combat dryness as well as improve eye circulation. 7. Evening primrose oil. This oil contains a high amount of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which can improve dry eye symptoms. Now, if you have found this video useful, please click on the like button. Also, subscribe so as to get more useful videos that could help you in your eye care. Finally, place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.